Hi everyone, it's Therese. I am here today to share my tags for my Christmas tags for Paige and Peggy's all year round Christmas tags. So I failed last year to make Christmas tags, and I wanted to do this ever since when they started last year, or even no, last year. I don't think they started last year, but I think Myra was the originator of this. I don't know. She started, making tags every month. So I said, okay, Therese, you need to do something because you didn't make tags last year, and you're going to do it this year. Okay, so this year, this month, I decided to do pre-made tags, and these tags I got from Target, and they've been sitting in I have a big container, not a big container, well, it's a pretty big container of tags, just strictly all kinds of tags. You have the Tim Holtz tags, you have the packaging tags from when we were doing tag swaps way back when. So I've accumulated quite a bit of tags. Even, Target has tons of tags that I've collected. So this is like a chipboard, or no, more like a wood tag that I pulled out 6 of them, and I had 6. And what I did was I made a winter tag. And I don't know if my camera is catching it, but I did do some flickering from this folk art. It's extreme glitter acrylic paint, and what I did was I just watered it down and I flicked it with my paintbrush, and I just like it because it just adds, a little shimmer to my tags. These snowflakes are Tonic Studios punches that I've had in my stash for a while, and I used my scrap white paper, so I'm just using scraps, and then these bling in the middle and the pearl are from my stash, and it's just my bag of bling I've showed you previously in other videos. I'm just using what I have. I'm thinking about putting a bow on the top here. That's what I'm thinking. And then calling it a day. And then I'm going to type out to and from, because I don't think my stamp would stamp on this wood very well. But who knows? And that is my 6 tags. So they're pretty much the same, all 6 of them. But I just love how they turned out, and I love the sparkle of this paint. And I think I got this paint at Walmart. They have a whole section, or maybe even, I'm not sure. I mean, I'm thinking it is Walmart. But I could have gotten this at Michael's. So I just love how it adds a little sparkle to these pretty little tags. And this is a pretty dark wood, so I wanted something. I wanted white. Maybe I shouldn't have diluted it, but it is so pretty. Oh my gosh! And I love how these pretty tags turned out. So those are my 6 tags for Paige and Peggy's all year round Christmas tags. You don't have to send anything, you just have to make tags and show them on your channel. So yeah, guys, have a great week. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.